Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Liza and here we go again. So guys, magkakaroon na naman tayo uli ng review and unboxing ng bag na actually na-unbox ko na siya. Review ko na lang siya sa inyo guys. So, ng bagong bag. Okay? Isang beses ko pa lang ito nagamit guys. Kaya lang nakalimutan ko kasi siya kang i-vlog. So, I'm so sorry I forgot to do a vlog for this bag. So, now I'm going to review, okay? And show it to you guys for your guidelines just in case you want to make sure that if you're going to buy a bag online or in eBay, for your guidelines also for authentication, okay? For authentic bag. So guys, but before I start, I'm Liza, and if you are into lifestyle, travel, fashions, and food, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click the red box written in subscribe and click the bell button for notification. Click all. It has 3 choices. So click the all for your notification and if I have new uploaded videos. So thank you guys, and to all my new subscribers, thank you very much. Dumadami na ako, okay? I'm increasing the number of my subscribers. Thank you guys, okay? So guys, let's go now. So, the new bag that I'm going to give you a review, it's this one. The Marc Jacobs. Yes, I know you're thinking what kind of bags I'm going to give you a review. So, actually, it's not the Snapshot, guys. It's the... Charan! It's the Sure Shot. So, they call it Sure Shot because it has a handle. Guys, this is a large size. So, large size yung bag na to. Okay, the color it's burgundy and white with golden metallic version, okay? So guys, for authentication authentication for original, just in case you want to buy a second-hand bag or online, this is a guidelines for you guys, okay? So let's start. So this is the J. Show it to you. I'll go near. Yan. So it has 2 zipper pockets. So the front and the back. Okay, nakabukas na siya guys. Bukas na siya. So guys, for your guidelines for authentication or online, pag close ko siya, if I'm going to close it and I close the other one, so opposite siya guys. Yung isa, one is here and one is here. Yan, close na siya. And also this one, the handle, behind the handle it's written, yes, yep, yeah, it's written guys, ayan, may tag siya na, it's written, the Marc Jacobs. Sana nakikita nyo guys, nakikita nyo ba? Yan, yeah, the Marc Jacobs. Okay, so the button, yes, both sides it's written the Marc Jacobs, and the handle. So both side guys, pag ganun kasi siya actually, yan, nakalagay siya the Marc Jacobs, ganun din sa likod niya. See, both sides. Okay, and same level. Okay, so guys, see, kapag flip ko, same level siya. So as this other zipper. So pares lang siya guys, both sides. So this one guys, ayun yung pagkakabul niya. Yan. So inside guys, bubuksan natin uli siya. Bubuksan ko ulit sa inyo. Bubuksan ko ulit siya guys. So the front bag, empty siya, wala siyang pocket. By the way guys, if you're going to buy the blue one, version of this one, and white, the inside lining, it's not black, it's white. It depends on color combination guys. So kapag medyo lighter yung color, let's say blue, yellow, beige, I think inside is white. Kasi yung blue, I've seen the blue one, large size. This is large size, guys. So, it has small size. So, large, small lang siya, guys. So, this is, okay. Measurement muna tayo. Yung length niya, it's 8 inches. Yung height is 5 inches. Yung width niya, it's 2.5 inches. Okay, guys? So, yung small version niya, I think yung height nun, it's 3.5, mga ganun siya, guys. And yung length niya, a little bit shorter siya. So, yun yung Snapshot. Yung isa kasi small size shot siya. So it has a different, this one guys, I've got it, my client bought it January. So I've got it to her. So she told me, Liza, give me a discount with, kasi guys, ano siya, client ko kasi siya. So nangingi siya sa akin ng discount. Sabi niya, in return, I'll give you the bag. Okay, I'll give it to you discounted also. I said, sure. Okay, so binili niya kasi ito ng 140 KD. So in peso, it's a 1 KD is equivalent to 3.3 US dollar or 3.4 US dollar. So kayo na guys yung mag-convert. So 140 KD niya binili. I got it to her 70 KD only. Nice price, right? And actually she used this one once only. Okay, so isa ba siyang gamit? Me, I use it twice. But I forgot to do the vlog because guys, I'm really busy. That's why if you see my other video, I did my other video with my Balenciaga or unboxing yung Lucky Charm ko. It's I think 3 weeks ago because really guys, I have online clients, so and I have some patients. So kaya guys, please bear with me, but I'm going to update you guys for review and review and unboxing ng lahat ng bibili ko. Ayan guys, ang dami niyan, no. Hindi ko pa siya na re-review. But i-review ko na lang yan guys, okay? So let's go back to the bag. So front bag, empty siya. Wala siyang pocket, but the back zipper pocket niya, ayan. May isa siyang pocket inside. And yung pinaka-label niya actually nasa loob nun. Ayan. So, kung makikita nyo, for guidelines authentication na bibili nyo online, second hand, or brand new, itong guidelines siya. The Sure Shot, Marc Jacobs. Ayan siya. Tahi siya, guys, ha? Tapos leather siya. Okay, ito yung packet niya, guys. Ayun, kukunin ko siya. Yan. So, lahat ng bag, guys, all the bags, it has like this one. So, yung font niya, see, guys, yung font niya, pares siya guys. Oh. So if the font is different from what you got, probably it's fake. So because they have fake ones, okay? And this booklet, it's translated with different language. Japanese, Chinese, Korean, French, German, and English. And I think the other one, it's Japanese, Korean, yeah. Korean, Japanese. Yeah. Okay. And the another booklet, guys, it's to tell you, the small one, other one, it's to tell you what is this made for. So I'm going to read it for you guys. Yan. 100% split cow leather with polyurethane coating. Yan, kaya shiny siya guys, di ba? May polyurethane coating siya. And yan guys. So yan yung mga label niya, ha. So about the strap bag. So bag niya guys, yan, adjustable siya. So kailangan ganito siya guys, ha. Tsaka nakalock talaga siya. Eto guys, design lang siya, hindi siya namumove. Hindi siya namumove guys. Eto lang ang namumove, yung nasa taas lang niya. Para i-adjust siya guys. Ayan. Ayan siya, ha? Etong side na to, hindi siya namumove. Eto lang ang namumove. At saka tong, eto, hindi rin siya namumove. Etong isa pa niya, hindi namumove. Yung nasa gitna lang guys, eto lang ang namumove for adjust. So dito guys, plain lang siya, wala siyang name. Okay, but on the side it has. So it's written here, the Marc Jacobs. See? Yan. Sana makita nyo guys, ha? Pasensya na. Yan, the Marc Jacobs. One side lang ang meron guys. Ito lang, ha? Yung other side niya wala, ha? So as this one. So same area niya. Meron siyang, yan, may nakasulat siyang the Marc Jacobs. Ayan siya guys. May ano siya. Engrave. Tapos guys, ito yung ano niya. Ayan. For your guidelines guys. Ayan. So dito, walang nakasulat, but on the other side, it has tag like the Marc Jacobs, guys. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? Sorry ha. Yan. Layo ko ng camera. Kasi yung lightning ko hindi ganun kaganda eh. Ayan guys ha. Yan. The Marc Jacobs siya. So as the other side. Ganun din siya guys. Meron siya. One side lang niya. Meron. So yung name niya it's like this. The Marc Jacobs. Pag ganun yung Marc Jacobs, papunta dito. Marc Jacobs. Tas the Marc Jacobs. Pag ganun guys ha, hindi pa ganun. It's this way. Marc Jacobs this way, not this way. Same with this one. See? Towards the ring. Okay? So that's it guys. Ayan siya. Ayan yung string, adjustable. Depends kung anong hahaba or what length you want. So, to check, okay? And, so, the bag, yan yung tahi niya for the stitching. Yan guys, guidelines nyo. Side. Okay. So, back. Side again. Okay. Bottom. Ganyan siya guys. And yung top niya. Okay guys, like what I've said, under nung handle niya may nakalagay na yan. Yan. The Marc Jacobs din. Underneath. Nakita niyo ba yan guys? The Marc Jacobs. Yan. All of them. Okay. So, sa store, if you're going to go to the store of Marc Jacobs, all of them, they have the same marking here. So, if you're going to buy online and you don't see the marking here, it's totally fake. Okay, even the small size they have. So, this is large size. Okay, guys. And about the dust bag niya, guys, this one. It's like, you know, your Chanel drawstring. This is drawstring. See, pag ganun siya, guys. So, same. See yung font niya, guys, it's the same. Same font. Okay? See? It's all the same. Ito kasi may da. Yung ano niya, wala. Marc Jacobs lang. Guys, here, Marc Jacobs lang, ha? Walang da. Only the dust bag and the bag it has. Okay? At saka yung black label. Hindi ko kasi siya makita, guys, eh. Cannot find it. Okay? So, inside, it's see? Maganda siya, guys. It's clean. It's like Chanel dust bag. Actually, even the texture is exactly the same. Like the Chanel dust bag. Okay, guys. So, that's it about this bag. And I hope, guys, you enjoy it. If you have any question, please don't forget to click likes and comments down of this video. Guys, the in Bloomingdale's, Kuwait, they have sale for the small size. Same color, I think they have, but the small size at the original price is 125 KD. In dollars, just times it to 3.3 or 3.4. $1 is equivalent to 3.3 or 3.4 US dollars. So just convert it. They have sale. Now, it's I think 75 KD in a small size. Quite Bloomingdale's, okay? This one, they have only blue size. This size, large size, they have only in blue color. So, it's range, it's not discounted, but it's less compared what my client got it in onas.com, which is 140 only in 140 Kuwait dinar in Bloomingdale's. So, that's it, guys, because I need to tell you guys where we got the bag, because some people are sending me message and comments that I need to mention where I got my bags. Okay, guys, so that's it. So, guys, this one I got it from my client, 70 KD. Yeah, magaling kasi ako, guys, mag-thrifting eh. All branded. So, anyways, guys, that's it. I hope you like my video, and please don't forget again to subscribe to my channel, and thank you very much. See you soon for my next video. Thank you for for next unboxing and review. Thanks!